Assalamu alaikum students. Today it's 2nd of September and I'm your junior English teacher of 4th class. Let's start today's our topic. Today we will read page number 83 and page 84 and our topic is abbreviations. As we know that abbreviations mean the short way of writing. So let's see, we have given some abbreviations. Here are 14 abbreviations. Let's read. We have already read this and we have already filled our page 83. So AD mean Anno Domini in Latin, BC mean before Christ, Capt captain, depth department, ETA estimated time of arrival, FA mean Football Association, HM Her Majesty, HMS mean Her Majesty's ship, P mean page and pens, PO post office or postal order. Then PTO mean please turn over. PTO please turn over. PAF mean Pakistan Air Force. Then UFO mean unidentified flying object. VIP mean very important person. So with the help of these abbreviations, now let's see, we have given numbering 1 2 up to 14. Now let's see VIP. VIP means very important person and its number is 14. So we will write number 14 over here, just like that. P pens और पेज, इसी तरह से ये सारे हम लोग यहाँ से देख के ये वाले जो भी इसके हमारे होंगे वो हमने यहाँ पे सारी नंबरिंग पुट करनी है, ठीक है। उसके बाद अब एक्टिविटी बी देखें हमारे पास क्या है। एक्टिविटी बी में हमारे पास फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हैं। हमें ये दिए हुए हैं, इनको हम लोगों ने इनकी एब्रीविएशंस हमें दी हुई हैं, हमने इनको लिखना है, ठीक है। अब देखें, जूलियस केसर invaded Britain in 55 BC. Now let's see, from number 2, BC means before Christ. Then Uncle Steve is now serving in HMS Eagle. HMS Eagle. HMS means, let's see on number 8, Her Majesty's ship. Now on number 3, Capt. Capt mean captain. Scott commanded the ship Discovery, which explored the Antarctic. An amazing cartoon appears on P. P mean page 25 or pens 25. Big alterations are being carried out in the toy depth. Depth mean department. HM, the Queen received a housing welcome. HM mean, अब देखें यहाँ पे क्या है, Her Majesty. America was discovered in AD 1492. AD Anno Domini. Enclosed in the letter was PO 450. PO mean postal, post office. P. Mr. Ghalib is a flying officer in the PAF, Pakistan Air Force. Please let us know the date you are coming and your ETA mean estimated time of arrival. So it was our page number 83 and now let's see page number 84. On page number 84 we have given our lesson Dickon and Mary. So we will read this chapter half, फ्राइटन तक, ठीक है। फ्राइटन तक हमने इसको रीड आउट करना है और हम इसको ऑलरेडी रीड आउट कर चुके हैं। हमारे इसके वर्ड्स मीनिंग सारे रिटन हैं, हमने इसको रीड आउट किया हुआ है और ट्रांसलेट भी किया हुआ है। तो आपने बहुत केयरफुली इस चैप्टर को रीड आउट करना है, इसकी ट्रांसलेशन लाइन टू लाइन करनी है और इसके वर्ड्स मीनिंग करने हैं। I hope you all will do this very carefully and very neatly. Today's our lecture is completed. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.